NewsRme, same-sex marriage law passes in U.S. House. The U.S. House adopted legislation to safeguard same-sex and interracial marriages amid worries that the Supreme Court verdict overturning Roe v. Wade abortion access will jeopardize other rights criticized by conservatives. When it came to a heated but overwhelming argument over federal legalizing homosexual marriage, Democrats spoke passionately and even personally for the cause, while Republicans avoided outright rejection. Leading Republicans opposed the measure, citing other national problems. The election year roll call that took place on Tuesday, local time, 267 to 157, was in part a political ploy that forced all members of the House of Representatives, Republicans and Democrats alike, to go on the record. It also saw the legislative branch fighting back against an assertive judiciary that questioned other accepted U.S. laws. Republican, GOP, leaders didn't urge members to oppose the measure, aides claimed. All of the Democrats and 47 Republicans voted for it to pass. The Respect for Marriage Act was able to sail through the Democratic-controlled House of Representatives with no difficulty. However, it is very unlikely to make it through the equally divided Senate, where the majority of Republicans are expected to participate in a filibuster to stop it. The measure is just one of several that Democrats are putting out in an effort to overturn the Supreme Court's conservative majority, including those that guarantee women's right to an abortion. This week, another measure will ensure access to contraceptive services. Kevin McCarthy and Steve Scalise voted against the marriage rights measure, while Elise Stefanik of New York supported it. In a striking quiet, Senate Republican leader Mitch McConnell refrained to voice his stance on the plan, leaving it unclear how vigorously his party would resist it if it came to a vote in the upper chamber. Representative Liz Cheney of Wyoming is one of the prominent Republicans in the House who has changed their position on the topic of marriage between people of the same gender in recent years. On Tuesday, she was one of those who voted in favor of the measure.